when I think about advanced persistent threats, I go back to my old days as an FBI agent, and I think of, ransomware as kind of a smash and grab crime scene type thing, where if our network were a home, a ransomware attack would look something like a muddy rock thrown through the sliding door, and there's broken glass everywhere and some fingerprints left behind, maybe some muddy footprints all the way to the jewelry box, and a couple of pairs of earrings and who knows what, heading back to the broken door, and maybe some rubber tire tracks leaving the neighborhood. If that's ransomware, advanced persistent threats, again with the crime scene analogy, is we come home and nothing looks different. It looks just the way it was when we left, and yet somebody's been in our home and has established a foothold, and they're trying to stay there.